Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. After applying a base coat to protect your natural nails, you should start off with 2 coats of a sheer pink polish. When the pink is dry, add a thin coat of micro glitter polish and then 1 more coat of sheer pink. I know this is a lot of coats of polish, so I definitely encourage you to adjust the layers to best suit you. A sheer glittery pink polish would be a great alternative. These are just the polishes that I had to work with. Once your base is dry, make a cloud by using a nail art brush to dab some white polish onto the nail. Since it's a cloud, don't worry about being too neat. Messy is good. You can add as many or as few clouds as you'd like. I did some with a single cloud and some with 2. Use a light purple to add some shading along the bottom of each cloud. Use a nail art brush and pastel yellow polish to make a 4-pointed star in the top left corner and a smaller cross shape at the bottom right. Again, feel free to make as few or as many stars as you'd like. Finally, use a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.